at that crack in there. Get my nail on there. Oh, rubber's coming away now. Well folks, it's a shame. This came from a friend who was just trying to help. The original one was all cracked. And look at the state of that. It's done. It's just unfortunate this didn't work. Well folks, I thought I'd have another look at the carbs yet again, because this air petrol mixture screw hasn't been working, and I found a blockage in the one place I didn't check last time. In there goes a fuel mixture screw, and there was a big black bit of something at the bottom of that. The rest were okay, so that's good. I reckon that should fix things. Hi folks, and welcome back. Okay, I've got a new inlet rubber. So today's plan is to put everything back together. I want to be riding this bike. Wish me luck.
You come and hold this side. Kind of almost there. They pass the fucking rubber bit.
Yeah.
You can just hold that tight. Look like it can eat.
That's it. Brilliant.
Happiness.
Excellent. Well done. Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's your job over.
Done and dusted. Way home and get my tea now.
Okay, let's get this bike started. Fingers crossed. After all my hard work. You're so fine. Well, here we go folks. Still has that choke problem. Just one tiny thing is holding it back.
Hi folks, how we doing? Another good day so far.
Right, you ready?
Yeah.
No, if you turn it and put more petrol on, it's just...
Right.
It's not making it any better.
Yeah, say you're too much here, you're too much petrol.
No.
You'll just have to play with that, like.
But I'm really close.
But that was fucking running lovely.
That seal's working.
I'm
I'll
happy,
just
I'm
keep,
happy.
I'll keep tinkering.
Aye,
I'm
well,
almost
that's it.
there. Well folks, it's getting better. Turn these fuel mixture screws and it's definitely improving. Out of the ashes, you will rise like a phoenix. Just altering these tiny bit more. Woohoo! I've done it! There we go folks, ticking over on its own now. How good is that? happy. Ha ha ha. So all it needed was a little bit of fine tuning. Oh, it's brilliant. Woohoo! Okay folks, I think it's time I put the side panels and the seat back on. That doesn't fit anymore. I think that's it. Ooh, I'm going to see if I can ride it now. There we go folks, one running bike. Woo! So happy. 3 years of hard work. And it's finally I've done it. He runs! Oh, it's great! Today has been awesome, folks, and I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and we'll get the exhaust welded next time.